Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another non-phone work from home job lead. I'm excited about this one because I know a lot of you are wanting to get your foot in the door into the healthcare work from home field. And a lot of times it takes doing customer service phone work to do that. However, this is a non-phone claim specialist billing job that requires very little experience. But before we get into it, just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share the information I find online. The links to everything I share will be in the YouTube description box below. But as always, please make sure you do your own research before giving any of your personal information to any of these companies. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company CVS Health. They are the big pharmacy company, and they are hiring a claims benefit specialist to work fully remote. This is for my United States folks only. They are specifically looking for someone to review and adjudicate routine Medicare claims on their HRP system in accordance with their claim processing guidelines. So what you'll be doing is you'll analyze and approve routine claims that cannot be auto-adjudicated. You will apply medical necessity guidelines, determine if the patient has coverage and what level of coverage they have per their insurance plan. You'll complete eligibility verification, identify any discrepancies, and apply all cost containment measures to assist in the claim process. You'll approve claim and referral submission to determine, review, and apply appropriate guidelines, coding, and member identification processes. You may occasionally facilitate training when considered a topic subject matter expert. And you'll manage claims on desk route and queues, and you'll utilize all applicable system functions to make sure the claims get processed in a timely manner. Now, this position, the pay range for this starts at $17 an hour and goes all the way up to $27.16 an hour. Of course, the pay is always dependent on experience. So if you are one of those that are trying to get your foot in the door and you have a limited experience, expect to get the $17 pay. If you have previous healthcare experience, then you might get on the higher end towards the 27. Now, right here is the required qualifications. The only thing that is actually required is that you have experience in some kind of production environment. And that does not have to mean assembly line in a factory production environment, but it can be. It can also be if you've ever had to do so many things within a certain amount of time for a job. So if you have previous healthcare experience, that would be like processing so many claims in an hour. If you worked as a retail clerk before, that would be having to check out at least so many people an hour. Those sorts of things qualify for production environment. You need to be someone who can be detailed and be quality oriented. You care about the quality of your work. You need to be able to research and work within computer systems and applications, especially Microsoft Outlook, which is the email program. So as long as you can work on a computer, you are detailed oriented and quality oriented, and you have experience in a production environment, you qualify for this position. So they don't actually require claims experience at all. Of course, you do have to have a high school diploma or GED. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading that when I am searching for job leads to share. If any of my job leads are helpful, please like this video and please share it with your friends and family. That gives me direct feedback that these job leads are being helpful to someone. And I want to say thank you for watching me, and I'll be back very, very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.